How to use LinkedIn QR code feature. To use the LinkedIn's QR code feature, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and then locate the search bar at the top. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. From here, you should be able to find the QR code option or icon over here. Once you tap on this, there you go. You can find your code over here, and you can also share the code by tapping on this share code option or simply save it to your gallery. Or what you can also do is to scan QR code, tap on the scan option over here, and give your application permission to use the camera. Once you enable this, you simply have to now place the QR code in front of your camera and you can scan the QR code just like this. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.